Hi guys, Ate Guard Rachel here. So again, in order for me to begin or to start my new diet, I'll be measuring my caloric intake. Yan. So, pupunta tayo sa ating Google TDEE calculator. Kailangan nating fill upan dyan. Male or female ba tayo? Yung ating age, weight, height. Ayan yung activity natin, sedentary kasi office jobs, So, ganyan, sedentary siya, nakaupo lang tayo or may lakad na konti. So, kailangan nating malaman yan kung maganda. For example, yung akin kasi is 2,211 something. Babawasan natin yan ng 500 calories. So, ang kailangan ko lang ma-intake per day in order for me to lose weight is yung 1.7 na natira. So, yan. So, please support me, guys.